Great. Project 2 in DM160 is a way that we can use Google AdWords Keyword Planner. Now, that's a mouthful, but essentially, this is the way that you can use Google to determine which type of keywords might work for your website and which ones that are appropriate to use so that you can get the max amount of people traffic to your website. And for this video here, we're going to go ahead and there's a video for Project 2 that you're going to watch, and I want you to watch it too. Let's see here. Let me open this up. Okay. So if you navigate to that link inside of the Project 2 option there. Let's see here. There's that guy. Great. And essentially what this this is a 44-minute video. So I'm not, you don't need to watch the entire thing because that's a lot. But what I want you guys to do is go ahead and look through this video a little bit and look at the keyword section. And what I also would like you guys to do is actually, you could try to see if you could go on to Google Ads to get to the keyword section. And the way that you could do that is if you go into Google, see here, I'm going to go ahead and type in Google Ad Keyword Planner. And then after I have that, I see at the very front, my very first search result. I'm going to click on that. And then there's a Go to Keyword Planner right here. After I click on Go to Keyword Planner, and I'm logged into my Gmail, so you might have to log into a Gmail to do this. If you don't have a Gmail, you could try to use other keyword planners. But here, at this light bulb, I'm going to click on Discover New Keywords. And this is essentially where I will start up with my keywords. So I could say something like free delivery. And then I can look at the results that I get. And as you can see here, Chipotle free delivery gets me a ton of reviews or searches. And there's a bunch of free food delivery here going on. So this is just one idea of a keyword that might work. And essentially here, for your Project 2 though, I do want you guys to get familiar with some of these keywords here as well. But the responses to these questions here are embedded in this video. So what that means is that the I know it's a bit of a long video, but essentially you can figure out from these items here that are discussed in the video what each of these are. So essentially when you're watching the video, take a note if they discuss ways that you can discover a new keyword. I did want to show off actually using it. I am making up keywords on the fly here as we're developing it, but that video will help determine these ones. Again, there's a broad match, a phrase match, or exact match. One of these, usually I would say broad match might be the best way to go for these ones, just because it's able to get more results there. But remember that sometimes we want to do exact match because maybe we only want customers that kind of know what they're searching for, right? We don't want to just have new people in here. We want to have a very specific type of customer. And then number 5 here I think is pretty straightforward. But again, why is it important to use keywords on your website that are popular? Again, that's because that's what people will type in, and that's what's going to get you that traffic. These 5 guys here are questions that this video answers. So for your Project 2, all you will need to do is go ahead and watch that video. I would say go ahead and play around with the Google Ads keywords as well. And then after you watch the video, just create a small summary response to these 5 questions here. I know this one isn't the most exciting, but just because we don't have access to like laboratory equipment altogether, and I'm not sure what platform everyone's on, we won't be able to use like the built-in, the built-in tools and stuff like that. So what we're going to do is just do the video here. So again, for Project 2, go ahead and watch that video. It is a bit long, but you do have around a week and a half to do Project 2. And after you go ahead and watch that, just type a summary of around 300 words for these questions here. Awesome. So does anyone have any questions